How to see more friends' posts on Facebook. Now, let's say you want to engage more with your friends and you want to see more posts of your friends on your feed. Now, in order for you to see posts of your friends more on your Facebook app or your Facebook account, all you have to do is to tap on your main menu right here and tap on feeds right here. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is to make sure that you tap on this selection that says friends right here, so that whenever you scroll down, you will be able to see the post of your friends on your Facebook. You can also see the post on the groups that you are engaged with or the pages that you have liked. You can also see right here that you can cater your feed into your favorites. You can manage your favorites right here and add people or friends that you have on your account so that you will constantly see their posts. You can add them right here. And when you go back, you will be able to see them on your feed. So that's how to see more friends' posts on Facebook. Hope you help.